There's an attorney named Richard Phelps and a judge and a prosecutor in Jasper County, Iowa, that have plotted and executed a plot together. But it's straight seeming so. They're flat out telling me in my face. And the judge is letting it go on, so he's a part of it. We all know that. To break our United States Constitution and our federal laws, which our Constitution stipulates. The United States Constitution and our federal laws are the supreme law of the land. And they refuse to defend their clients, the people that come through their county, in the criminal setting, and it's highly illegal, and these people need to go to prison, these attorneys, prosecutors, and judges, because they are pulling a mutiny off on our written law in our country, and they are the true
Constitution is
criminals. Yeah, they are the true criminals here, and if they're the criminals and they're using their organization to do it, they fit under the RICO Act. And I think they're supposed to get like a life term under that act or something similar.
Yeah, but who enforces that these days?
And that's what we're trying to get done here in Jasper County, Iowa.
Yeah.
To show them you are a part of the United States. You are not your own country.
Nope.
So,
come on, United States Supreme Court. Here's some more. Here's some more evidence. Here's from the cornstalk planet.
This is Mr. Phelps in.
Calling.
This is Tape Blue.
Just a moment.
Hello?
Yes.
This is Tape Blue.
Yes, sir.
I don't know, I have a court date on the 25th.
Yes, you do.
So I was calling to check in with you.
Okay.
You haven't contacted my email, so I was kind of wondering what was going on.
Have we sent you any emails?
I haven't received any.
Then you better make sure we have the correct one.
It's the same one.
Correct one.
It's the same one. It's the same email with my name.
Can you give it to me now?
It's TAIT B as in boy ELYEW
Okay.
at gmail.com.
Is that how you want to be contacted?
Yeah. Yes. I gave it.
You don't have a mailing address?
No. I gave it to the on the form. I gave an email to the courts to get the attorney. They have the email there. I'm just don't know why they didn't give it to you if you don't have it.
Well, we probably do. What, do you have a telephone?
No, I'm borrowing somebody's phone right now.
All right. Are you planning on being in court on Wednesday?
No. I'm not even from that state. I was just traveling through on the highway.
Right.
You know.
I did did watch the videos, and it does not appear that you were intoxicated.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you want to do about these charges?
What do I want to do? Well, did you yet go to YouTube and watch all the videos on the recordings that we have on the cops there?
On the what?
Did you go on YouTube yet and watch?
No.
Oh. What is that? Is that Newton County?
Jasper County.
Jasper County? Go to Jasper County Sheriff on YouTube. You could go to, it's my wife's YouTube channel, Lisa Ballou, aka Storm, and go to her. That'll go right to her YouTube channel and go to all the Jasper County Sheriff ones on there. And they had our recorders, and they're on, and the cops didn't know they're on, and they stole a bunch of our stuff, our property. They're plotting to do a great bodily injury on me against the law. They vandalized all our stuff. They threw all our cooler stuff. We were at the campground. They threw it all over in the back of our camper shell, all over our property, all over our bedding. They took the ham hocks out, put them in the front seat, and let them rot. They gave our truck back. Our truck purrs like a kitten. They gave our truck back. It was shaking all over the place, and it still does it to this day. We don't know what they did to it. They abused our dog. They took our dog. They took our dog, and when my wife went to go get him at the shelter, my dog wasn't with all the other dogs in a camera. He was outside, away from any camera. And when we got our dog back, he was shaking all over the place. He was never the same ever again. They did all kinds of stuff to us. They stole our money. They stole our weapons. They stole my driver's license. They can't steal my driver's license. I'm from a non-compact state, to where that DUI over there doesn't affect me, even if I was convicted in this state. They stole my license. They didn't give it back. They just stole all kinds of stuff. They stole over $2,000 from us. We have them on recording, taking things from us, and admitting to trying to plot to what they said, fuck me up, is the word they're using. I mean, this case it's extensive. We put it all on YouTube so the world could see what kind of corruption is going on there. I bring it to that judge's attention and told that judge, if under equal protection under the law, if they go to try to convict me, it's the same crime, it's relevant, that they have to try to convict those cops right now for doing all this same stuff to me in a crime and admitting to it in the recordings, or they have to drop the case. And apparently this judge is still letting these court dates go on, so basically if he's not complying with our United States Constitution and our federal laws, I want that judge recused and out of my case and fired, because he's going to be a part of them police doing this corrupt things to me. And when I was in the booking, I know that that's the normal practice inside, because I heard all the other people coming in there, and that's all that they're complaining about, is the cops breaking all these laws on them and going into their homes and beating them up and not having warrants. And I see that's a normal practice there, this crime thing that they're doing. And basically, I want my case thrown out, or I want that judge recused and out of my case. And I want those cops bring up on charges.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, because what you want is not what you're going to get.
Well, that's what our laws in our country stipulate in our law, so that's what's going to happen.
Well, no, it isn't.
It has to.
You got criminal charges that you're going to have to deal with one way or the other, or you're just going to have to ignore them and not come back to Iowa.
I never even been to Iowa. I just drove through, and I was driving back through one time in my life.
If you do not appear on Wednesday, what do I tell the judge?
I don't have to appear on Wednesday. They already told me I don't have to go to court. I could go in absentia, so...
Well, I think it's set for a pretrial, isn't it?
I don't know. Aren't you a new attorney?
I am an attorney.
Okay, well...
So it's either take a plea of some sort or set it for trial. The option.
Well, that's what I'm telling you. I'm telling you right now that's what I'm telling you to do as my attorney, to file those motions.
Well, I'm not going to
file those motions. You're going to do it.
Yeah. No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are going to do it. You're going to file those motions.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are going to file them. You're going to file them. You're going to file them.
I'm not going to do anything of the kind, so...
Yeah, you are. You are going to file them, and you are going to attack them, and you are going to defend me. Just like our United States Constitution and our federal laws say that you have to. You are going to defend me, and you're going to file them against those police and against that judge. He says he's not doing that.
Okay, well, we'll do it then and fire you guys.
You're going to be fired, and I'm going to go to the state bar against you too.
Do whatever you have to do.
I'm going to, because you're not doing your job. You're backing up the criminals in this case. And you can't do that. You have to defend your client. Is what you have to do. Under our equal protections under the law in our country is what you have to do. And you're refusing to defend me? Mr. Phelps, are you refusing to defend me? Hello? Okay, he hung up. Mr. Phelps' attorney refused to defend me, and he hung up on me.
And there's the property that was stolen by what they recorded that they stole.
They stole a lot more than that.
Stole money, broke stuff.
Weapons. Vandalized.
Stole a crossbow, of course, they didn't put on here. Broke our truck. Fucked our dog over.
Yep.
Extorted us out of money. If you don't plead out today, you're gonna stay in here for another week. But if you plead out today, I'll let you go. While your dog's sitting in a shelter and your truck's getting tampered with by the government that's stalking you around the country illegally. So there you have it, America. Some more proof and evidence. And for you too, United States Supreme Court, more proof and evidence. There's nothing getting done for the people out here.